Now that we got the area completely prepped and ready for our green to be rolled out, you've got your cups all set and level. The one thing we're going to want to do is just do a once over one more time. It doesn't hurt to double and triple check before you roll your putting green out over top of your finished or prep base area. What we're looking for are any imperfections, any stones that may have been kicked loose, because those stones, which I can see a couple right there and right there, those will cause the turf to dome and obviously not have a good roll. And what we don't want to do is roll the turf out and then have to find these and then come back and try to move the turf, and then we end up disrupting the whole area. So it's always a good idea to do a double or triple check just to make sure. You can take a leaf blower, and that's not a bad idea, just to kind of hit it on low, see if you see any stones rolling around, but try to get any organic material off the surface and try to get any of these smaller pebbles.